Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Shah and today we are going to learn creating a website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. In today's video, we are going to learn about the HTML doctype declaration. So let's get started. Well, it is important to declare the HTML doctype. This helps the web browser understand that it's a HTML page. It also helps the web browser understand what kind of HTML that you're using, because we have different versions of HTML. Well, a simple declaration which will start with braces and you can put in exclamation, just write doctype and then write HTML and then close it with braces. Please note, HTML is not case sensitive. You can write it in caps or you can write it in smaller cases. That will do. Please make sure that this particular statement should be written on top of the opening HTML tag. Something that you should know, it's not a tag, it's just a declaration which instructs the web browser that it's a HTML page. Also, it tells the web browser about the HTML version. Well, let's try it out. It will not make any changes. It's just an additional piece of instruction that you add to your HTML code so that the web browser understands what kind of HTML you're using on your HTML page. Let's add it. Add exclamation and then type HTML and hit save. That's it. You don't have to do anything extra. Well, so that's it for now. See you all in the next video.